Hi, my name's Brian. Welcome to the channel. Now, if you're watching this video, no doubtedly you're planning a cruise for the Carnival Glory. So this is one of their balcony staterooms. Let's take a look. Now we're going to look at a balcony stateroom. This particular room is 8312. Let's have a look inside. And entering from the hallway, this is what your room is going to look like. This is the inside door. Immediately to the right, you have closet space with hangers. A middle closet with your life jackets and more hangers. And finally, your third cabinet with shelf space. So you have plenty of room for storage. To the left, you have your bathroom. Pretty much a standard bathroom, what you would expect out of Carnival. Plenty of room, and it feels a little bit bigger than an interior stateroom. Moving out from your hallway, this is what your room's going to look like. Right here you have a workstation, and you've got some cabinets, hair dryer, so plenty of rooms for your personals, your desk area. And then you got a mini fridge. Not bad for Carnival. Right adjacent to that, you have a little lounge with a table, full-size mirror. And walking it further, you have your TV. Then here, you have your safe. And it's set up for use with your sail and sign card or a ID or a PIN. Another work mirror, I guess you call it a vanity area. Then you have your queen size bed. Walking out, now you have your balcony. So you have two chairs and a table. And there you go. It's not a bad balcony space, folks. All right. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tour, folks. Now, I always say my personal rule of thumb is if you're staying on a cruise for 4 or 5 days, me personally, I would rather have an interior room because the money that you save on a balcony, you can put towards your excursions. So almost like you're having your excursions for free. There's some type of beeping noise out here, so I don't know if that's picking up on the video, but let me go inside real quick. All right, so now, like I was saying, much more quieter in here. So if you're gonna do a cruise of 4 or 5 days, my personal recommendation would be to do a interior stateroom, and that way you're saving the money that you save, you can put towards your excursions, so you're almost like you're doing your excursions for free. Now anything 5 to 7 days is where I kind of draw the line. I would recommend getting a balcony because the balcony actually becomes part of the cruise at that point in time. Because, you know, you can only go to the casino, you go drinking, you go watch the shows, and then at night you just kind of want to retreat to your own space. Well, your room can get kind of confining, but then you have that balcony space where you're sitting out there, and it almost becomes like a venue for the evening. You sit out there, you have the sea breeze, the cool air, watching the ocean, the soothing sounds of the ocean. It just adds to your overall experience. So that's my personal recommendation. 4 to 5 days, interior, 5 to 7 days. Definitely invest in the balcony, folks. So I hope you are going to have an amazing cruise. If you find this video useful or helpful in any way, I would ask you to please consider subscribing to the channel. This channel is all about travel, food, fun, and adventure, and living your best life over 50. So if that sounds like you, hit that subscribe button and join the community, folks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Have an amazing cruise.